his leadership, going around the country, going up to other, just spreading the word. Again, the mobilization, the public opinion about it, the awareness that the Tibetan people in exile and in Tibet, awareness of that is because of you. So I thank you. I had the privilege of being there when he got the National Endowment for Democracy Award and to receive one from him. But really is a tribute to you. And to see the awareness of this when we went on the trip, to then see the signature follow, it gives people hope. And now our leader of the trip, Mike McCall, is here. And again, the fact that this is bipartisan and his leadership and Meeks and McGovern and the rest, and I see Joe Wilson, I will leave it in their hands because the security is telling me I have to be in the car right now. Want me to see you?
Thank you so much.
Let's give our love to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you. Now, I just want to take credit for something. When I became speaker in 2007, we voted to have the gold medal, Congressional Gold Medal, given to His Holiness. And what was very special about it was that the Chinese were not happy, but they were extra unhappy because President Bush and Laura Bush both joined us for that medal ceremony. So again, bipartisan, White House, House, Senate, Democrats and Republicans.
Thank you.
Right there. Thank you.